How to fix TikTok video under review. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open TikTok. There is no straight option to fix it. Your video stuck under review. It could be due to several reasons, including community guidelines, content violation, or errors in the TikTok algorithm. To fix this, start by ensuring your video does not break any rules. Sometimes review process can take longer. Wait for the process. After that, TikTok will simply review your video and simply send you feedback. And this is how to fix TikTok video under review. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I'm Sophia signing off. Until next time.